what everybody says is buy low and sell high. That's what everyone says, but almost nobody does it because when a particular stock or a ETF is actually low, nobody's talking about it. That's psychology. It's boring. It's red. It normally doesn't feels like an opportunity. It feels like a mistake. So I built a tool that finds these moments for you. It is called EtfsForall. It does just one thing. It shows you the ETFs in Indian market which are sitting close to their 52-week low, the ones nobody is talking about, which is historically where the best entries actually lie. Let me walk through this. So you go to any web browser and it's just typing etfforall.in and you will be taken to a page like this. So what do you see when you first come at this site? The top 10 opportunities. Before doing that, I want to tell you more about this. The first thing, there is no login, there is no sign up, there is no configuration. All the work has already done. You will just see the results when you land to this website. Now, I am tracking ETFs only. I'm not tracking any stocks. So what this is, these are the selected 71 tracked ETFs. It is updated every hour, Monday to Friday, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. IST. That's when the market runs. What you see in the top 10 opportunities are the top 10 ETFs. The ones in green that you see here are nearest to the 52-week low. Okay, let me talk about what you see. So you will see the CMP, which is the current market price. You will see a 52-week low. What is the percentage of nearest to the 52-week low? The opportunity and also a chart. So if you see the Growth Nifty India Railways PSU ETF, the current price is 28.89. Its 52-week low was 27, so it's almost 3.9% near. So this is an opportunity, and you also get a chart view. So this view is something which is updated regularly. So this is a weekly chart view based on the opportunity and the levels that you can check. There's also a marker. If you click on this, it will take you to the actual chart in a new tab, and there are a list of filters. So not everyone likes to trade with the same amount of money. Some people want ETF under 100 rupees. So if I click on here, you will get the ETF price, all of them sorted filter under 100 rupees. Some of them want between 100 to 150 to 250, and some of them want over 250. Now, if you want to see how the ETFs are sorted by name, you can click here and see this is the default I have kept to the nearest and any price. Okay, now coming to the core strategy. If you click here, you can read the core strategy here. So first of all, I would like to say that there is a ranking to which the strategy lies. There are no indicators, there is no forecast, there is no noise. It asks a very simple question. How far is this ETF from 52-week low? That's it. Now, the zone is near low. What you see here, near low. So when the ETF is at or within 10%, so less than 10% of the 52-week low, these are some of the strongest entries. That's what you call near low. Then there is another zone which is called moderate. So moderate is around 10 to 25% above the 52-week low. It's worth a look. And then the extended zone. So this is more than 25% from the 52-week low. These are the ETFs which have already had their run. Doesn't mean they are bad. It just means that they have already had their run. Probably it would be worth considering the near lows. Okay. Now, the reason I trust this approach is I have been running this strategy myself for the last 3 years, buying ETFs when they are near to 52-week low, right? And I'm getting good results, right? Now, one thing I want to say, the strategy might have delivered consistently around double-digit returns for me because I had that patience over past 3 years. But that's not a promise for everyone else. Markets change, past results do not guarantee future ones, and everybody's situation is different. I built this tool because I use it, not because I'm trying to sell you anything. I wanted a cleaner way to spot the setups without checking prices manually every day. Now, talking about some another aspect is you can go and search for any ETF, for example, Nifty Bs. You get a search. If it is under the tracked ETFs, definitely it will showcase. You can click here to see the strategy. You can click on this button and you get a dark mode of the application. And if you really like this tool, or if you want to give any feedback, so you can go to the end of the page and give me a feedback. You can type in your name, email, phone number, and any suggestions. Mind you, all of this if you want to give me feedback. Now, if you want to support, if you like this tool, if you want to support, all of this money goes to maintaining this tool, the server cost, and the daily effort. It's entirely optional. I don't expect anything in return. It's a free tool. Free, always free. Have a look at it. Let me know your feedback. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.